Hello, guys, welcome to your very own channel, The Techie Traveler. A big hi to everyone out there. Hope everyone is fine at your end and all are safe during this pandemic year. And, guys, the good news is the PUBG Mobile India is finally going to launch, and the company has launched a beta version for the testing. And you know what is the best part out of this release? That you can fetch all the data that you are having in the global version of PUBG Mobile. Yes, it's true. And how it is possible? You must have been logged in to the global version of the PUBG Mobile using any of the social account, social media account like Facebook, Twitter, etc., etc. So if you have used them, then try logging in with the same ID here. Once you log in from the previous ID that you have used in your global version, you will get a pop-up like this, which will ask for the confirmation of transferring the data from your old PUBG Mobile global version, right? As soon as you give the confirmation, it will take you to the login page, and then it will automatically transfer all the data from your global version to the India version, right? Isn't it a good news, guys? Yeah. So let's move ahead. As I have already done that, so I'm not able to show you how I have done that, but the steps are same, and you can see that I have got all my data, like the dresses, the crates, the skins, everything I have got from the global to the India version. And the best part is I have even got my coins, my G coins, my BP coins, and even my UC coins, and that is the best part. Yes, this was the dilemma with the users, and this is the great part, right, guys? Enjoy this version. Let's check what other features they have transferred. I can't see the friend list which I was having in my global list, so I need to add my friends again. Yes, okay. So that might be because the database is different. Maybe the IDs must have been changed. So I need to invite them again to my friends list. That's not a problem. Okay, let's check further what new changes have been implemented in the settings. I don't see any specific change, like it's similar to the global version only. The graphic seems to be same, control seems to be same. Okay, I have done small tweaks here, so this is how I am playing. Yours must be a different settings. Anyway, I don't see anything new there. Let's check the maps first. Erangel is same, maps are same, even arena. Okay, arena have some hangar version. This might be the season 19 update, maybe. Okay, still it's the same. Let's try to go into a classic game first and see if there is any change in the maps and all. As we can see that the map is also same. I can see everything like Pochinki, school, hospital, everything is same. So there is no much changes in the maps, I believe. So guys, let me tell you, I am not a hardcore gamer, so please bear with my flaws. Look and feel seems almost similar to the global version. There's no much changes I can observe here. Give me a gun. Come on. As I was saying, who all are not able to get the beta invite, I'll give you a solution for sure. Keep watching the video. I hope the logging in scenarios seems to be fine with you all. An enemy there. Let's find him out. I can hear some gunshots. Where he is? Well, I'm literally a very bad gamer in PUBG. Oh my god, someone is hitting me. Where is he? As I said, I am not a good player. That guy easily killed me. Anyways, the good part I found is this kind of message. It is giving us a warning, it is not a real world based game. This is just a survival simulation game, and it is set in a virtual world, so don't compare it with the real world scenarios. So it's good. There is a tactical drill. Let's check what is here. Okay, it is offering a uniform. Click OK. Oh, got it. Seems to be a nice one. This is also nice, but the visibility of this is more. Let's check the other one. Cool. This is nice, and blue is my favorite color also. Let me show you another dress that I got in season 19, which is this one. Yep. This is also nice, right? Anyways, the blue one seems to be better. Let's use that only. Cool now. Okay guys, as I promised, I'll let you know how to download the game if you have not if you did not get the notification. I'm a follower of 91mobiles.com for all the gadget related updates, and from there only I got this update for the beta version launch. And there is a video from the 91 mobiles on YouTube where they have provided the APK link. As I downloaded it from there, I'm not going to upload the files on my portal, and I really want to give the credits to the 91 mobiles team. So I'm adding the link of 91 mobiles video in my description. Go to that link. In that video's description you will find a link to APK and the OBB file of the new PUBG Mobile India. Download them, install the APK, then copy the OBB file to the instructed folder and enjoy the gaming. Just for an enjoyment purpose, there was a video in the PUBG Mobile India, and I found it really interesting, so just making it available for view to my viewers. Enjoy the video and have fun. Don't make it a habit, guys, and play less. Just play for the enjoyment. Don't affect your health by playing the game more. And I hope you have subscribed the channel. If not, please do subscribe and like the channel, which will give us some motivation to make some good future videos, to come up with some good suggestions in future. So this is Raj signing off for today. Sayonara.